Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Frameless, New Jersey. Just completing an installation for an inline door and panel, and of course also a mirror. So on this inline we used clamps in lieu of U-channel, which is traditionally done. And we used polished chrome hardware. And this door is a double acting door. So meaning you can open both in and out. Now, the function of inline of double acting doors is kind of under the installer's prerogative and the designer's prerogative. Meaning we made this double acting mainly because it's extremely deep and there's tons of space. Like, I mean, I know it gets the shower head up above, but it's not, there's nothing really in the way to actually break the glass if it were to open all the way inwards. So we made this double acting only because it's just a nice added feature, so that after a shower you can open it inwards, and whatever water's on the inside will actually fall back into the shower pan. And what else? I mean, that's pretty much it. These vinyls that we've used are glueless. They're pretty much just like a pressure fit, so they kind of squeeze over the edge of the glasswork. And the cool thing about this is that after we install this in your home, we actually show you how to take it off, clean it, and then put it back. So that'll save you a lot of headache in the future, especially in comparison to using the glue-on stuff, because the glue-on stuff, once they fall off, they can't be reapplied because the glue has already lost its tack. So this is a nice time-saving option. And these things are actually found online, especially Amazon. I mean, what doesn't Amazon sell? But they do sell this stuff pretty cheap too. So, and that's pretty much it. All right, if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com, or click on one of these things down there. Record.
Yes.